Prophet Adam alayhi salam. Country, Sri Lanka. Profession, first farmer. Grave location, disputed. Some traditions say he's buried in Sri Lanka, others in Jerusalem, Hebron, or Mecca. Prophet Idris alayhi salam. Country, Iraq. Occupation, tailor. Grave location, some believe he is buried in Egypt. Prophet Noah alayhi salam. Country, Iraq. Profession, carpenter. Grave location, disputed. Possible locations include Najaf, Iraq. Prophet Hud alayhi salam. Country, Yemen. Profession, trader. Grave location, believed to be in Hadramaut, Yemen. Prophet Saleh alayhi salam. Country, Saudi Arabia. Profession, shepherd. Grave location, disputed. Some traditions suggest he is buried in Saudi Arabia near Al-Ula, Maiden Salah. Prophet Abraham alayhi salam. Countries, Iraq. Profession, architect, shepherd. Grave location, Al-Khalil, Hebron, Palestine, in the Cave of the Patriarchs. Prophet Lut alayhi salam. Countries, Iraq. Profession, historian. Grave location, believed to be near the Dead Sea, possibly in Jordan. Prophet Ishmael alayhi salam. Country, Saudi Arabia. Profession, hunter. Grave location, near the Kaaba in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Prophet Isaac alayhi salam. Country, Palestine. Occupation, shepherd. Grave location, Al-Khalil, Hebron, Palestine, in the Cave of the Patriarch. Prophet Jacob alayhi salam. Country, Palestine. Profession, shepherd. Grave location, Palestine, in the Cave of the Patriarchs. Prophet Joseph alayhi salam. Country, Egypt. Profession, minister of agriculture. Grave location, believed to be in Nablus, Palestine. Prophet Job alayhi salam. Countries, Saudi Arabia. Profession, agriculturalist. Grave location, believed to be in Salalah, Oman. Prophet Shu'aib alayhi salam. Country, Jordan. Profession, agriculturalist. Grave location, disputed. Possible site is in Jordan. Prophet Moses alayhi salam. Country, Egypt. Profession, shepherd. Grave location, believed to be in Maqam Nabi Musa, near Jericho, Palestine. Prophet Aaron alayhi salam. Country, Egypt. Profession, shepherd. Grave location, Mount Hor, near Petra, Jordan. Prophet Dhul Kifl alayhi salam. Country, Iraq. Profession, judge. Grave location, disputed. Some traditions say he is buried in Kifl, Iraq. Prophet David alayhi salam. Country, Palestine. Profession, ironsmith. Grave location, disputed. Possible location is Lebanon. Prophet Elisha alayhi salam. Country, Syria. Profession, shepherd. Grave location, disputed. Some traditions place his grave in Iraq. Prophet Jonah alayhi salam. Country, Iraq. Profession, fisherman. Grave location, believed to be near Mosul, Iraq, though the site was damaged in recent conflict. Prophet Solomon Alayhi Salam country, Palestine. Profession, king. Grave location, believed to be in Jerusalem, Palestine. Prophet Ilyas, Elijah, alayhi salam. Country, Lebanon. Profession, weaver. Grave location, disputed. Some say he is buried in Jerusalem, Palestine. Prophet Zechariah, alayhi salam. Country, Palestine. Profession, carpenter. Grave location, believed to be in Damascus, Syria, inside the Umayyad Mosque. Prophet Yahya alayhi salam country, Palestine. Profession, shepherd. Grave location, believed to be in Damascus, Syria, inside the Umayyad Mosque. Prophet Isa, Jesus, alayhi salam. Country, Palestine. Profession, hunter. Grave location, according to Islamic belief, Isa, Jesus, alayhi salam was not buried as he was raised to the heavens and will return before the day of judgment. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, country, Saudi Arabia. Profession, shepherd, trader. Grave location, in the Prophet's Mosque, Masjid an-Nabawi, Medina, Saudi Arabia. The burial places of the 25 prophets mentioned in the Quran are based on Islamic tradition, historical accounts, and various interpretations. For some prophets, their burial sites are well known and accepted, while others are uncertain or disputed. This classification is based on historical, Quranic, and traditional Islamic sources. The exact locations may vary depending on interpretations.